it's Miriam from Fresh and Yummy Paperie, and today I'm going to answer a question that I get all the time. And the question is, how do I change the background color of my invitation? And how do I change the text color of my invitation? Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what you do is you go over here, you click on Edit Design, and that will open up the design view. So you can see all the different layers in the design. And right now we're looking for the background layer. So here it is right here, background. Click on add and you'll see all these colors. And you can see even more colors by clicking on this plus button. So here you go. There's tons of the entire rainbow here. And there's also a color dropper here, so you can pick a color from the design. Like say you're trying to match the color of the leaves, you could pick this green color. And today what I want to do though is I want a specific gray color for the background. So I've got a specific hex color code and I can paste it in right here. So there we go, dark gray background. Now we need to change the color of the text because now we can't see it. So what we do is we go over here to the layers and I select the top layer of text and I click on shift and I select the bottom of layer of text, and that selects all the layers. I'm on a Mac, so that's probably different on a PC. But here we go over here to the color and I can pick the color from here. Again, there's the color dropper and the hex value, but today I just want white text, so I'm going to select white. And there we go. So now what we don't want to forget to do though is change the back of the card. So I'm going to close up the front and open up the back, and I'm going to do the same thing. So background, I click on edit, I click on the plus sign, and I want a bluish gray background here. So I'm pasting in my hex color code and enter, and there we go. Bluish, pretty bluish gray color. So here we go. Let's hit done, and this is what it looks like. Totally different, which is so fun. Now, not all of my invitations are as easy to change color for. So let me show you what I mean. Here's a wedding invitation of mine that has this beautiful premium calligraphy. Now let me show you what it looks like in the design view. Click on edit design, and this text up here, as you can see, it has a T here. It's a layer of text, and you can change the color over here. You can change the font, and this is completely editable. Now the thing with this premium calligraphy is that it is uploaded into the design as an image, so you cannot change it. You can't change the color, you can't change what it says. So if you want to change the wording, for example, or the color, what you're going to need to do is contact me, and I'm very happy to help. I've put a link down in the description to my contact form. So if you need help customizing a design, or if you need help because you need a matching, a coordinating piece to your suite, just contact me below. All right, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please like it and subscribe. And I would love it if you became a Fresh and Yummy Insider by joining the email list. You can jump on the email list in a link below, and you definitely want to do that because I'll email you when my designs are on sale, and I have tons of goodies for brides. So if you're a bride to be, definitely hop on there. Okay, that's it for now.